In this video, you'll learn how to effectively use Notion for time blocking. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to organize your tasks and manage your time more efficiently using this tool. Begin by navigating to the Notion website, open your preferred web browser and enter quote notion.so quote in the address bar. Once the page loads, you should see the Notion homepage where you can log in or create an account if you do not already have one. After logging in, locate the title area at the top of your workspace. Click on this title area to activate it, allowing you to enter the name of your new time block. It is essential to have a clear and descriptive title for better organization. Type in the title for your time block now. This might be something like morning routine or work block. After entering the title, you should see the text appear in the title area. Next, look for the three dots or ellipsis icon, which usually appears in the upper right corner of your block. Clicking on this icon will open a drop-down menu with additional options to manage your block. From the drop-down menu, select Calendar to enable the calendar view for organizing your time blocks. This action will redirect you to a calendar interface where you can visualize your scheduled tasks. Once the calendar view is displayed, find and click on the calendar view option. This allows you to see your time blocks laid out in a calendar format, making it easier to plan your days effectively. Afterward, you will need to click on Managing Calendar. This option will help you adjust your settings and sync your calendar with other applications if necessary. If you want your calendar events to sync with other applications, select the option to go to the Notion calendar. This step is crucial for ensuring that your time blocking is integrated across platforms. In the event that you decide not to sync, simply return to the main Notion workspace. This step is important for maintaining focus on your time blocking tasks without distractions. Next, go to the Settings option within your Notion workspace. This area allows you to customize your preferences for time blocking and other functionalities. Click on Highlight to emphasize certain tasks or blocks in your calendar. This feature can help you quickly identify important activities within your time blocking schedule. Now, return to the calendar view by clicking on Calendar again. This will ensure you are back in the correct workspace to continue with your time blocking setup. Select the Show as Calendar option to change the view format. This allows you to visualize your tasks in a calendar layout, which is beneficial for planning. Proceed by clicking on Week to view your tasks on a weekly basis. This option helps in seeing your time blocks distributed throughout the week. Next, select Add an Item to create a new task within your calendar. This step is essential for populating your time blocks with specific activities. Type in the activity you want to schedule, such as waking up, for example. This will add a new task to your calendar, marking it clearly for future reference. After entering the activity, click on the specific date you want to assign it to, such as January 26th. This action links your task to a specific day, making it easier to organize your time. Then click on Include Time to set specific hours for your task. This ensures your time block is not only scheduled, but also has a designated time frame. Afterward, click on End Date to specify when this task will conclude. This step is vital for time blocking as it helps define the duration of your activities. Type in the specific time for your task to indicate when it should start and end. Having clear time frames is crucial for effective time management. Click on a blank space to finalize the entry of your task. This action will save the task in your calendar and allow you to view it. Next, select Tag to categorize your task. This adds an additional layer of organization to your time blocking, making it easier to filter tasks later. Type in a tag, such as waking up routine, for example. This will help you identify the nature of the task at a glance. After entering the tag, click on a blank space to save this information. This ensures that all details of your time block are correctly recorded. You can now click on the task you just created, such as waking up, to view or edit it further. This allows for any necessary adjustments to your schedule. Next, click on Duplicate to create a copy of your time block. This can be useful if you want to replicate similar tasks across different days. Drag the duplicated task to the desired day, such as Tuesday, to rearrange your schedule. This flexibility is a key feature of time blocking in Notion. Select the time slot like 2 p.m. to add another task. This allows you to continue building your time blocking schedule without interruption. Click on Add an Item again to create another task in your calendar. Continuing to add tasks is fundamental to utilizing time blocking effectively. Type in another activity such as eating routine. This will further populate your schedule, allowing for a comprehensive view of your time commitments. Once again, select the date, such as January 26th, to assign this task to a specific day. Clear assignments are key to managing your time effectively, click on end date to finalize the duration for this task as well. This consistency is important for maintaining a structured schedule. Finally, view your calendar to see all your time blocks organized neatly. This overview is essential for effective time management and ensuring nothing is overlooked. That wraps up today's guide. You've now learned how to use Notion for time blocking. Thank you for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.